President William Ruto niacerete muciĩ kwa mũtigaire Johanna Ng'eno mwena wa Karen akinyitanira na family na arata na atongoria angĩ gucakaya gĩkuũ gĩake agitarĩrio ria kinyairwo nĩ ndeto cia gĩkuũ kĩa Ng'eno.
The news that came on the crash of the helicopter somewhere in Nandi County were very difficult news. And it was all our wish that Ng'eno and colleagues who are with him, the other 5 members of different families, would have survived.
President Ruto akimutariria ta mutongoria urari no shamba na kio tongoria-ini akiongerera ati kiama kia UDA nikiuritwo ni mutongoria njata yake yo tongoria iracangararite na gikiro kinene.
And so I come here with a very heavy heart because we have lost a man of great leadership qualities. When I spoke with the Member of Parliament for Endebess, where Ng'eno was before he left, he told me they were in a wonderful mood. I think you people and all of us know that Ng'eno enjoyed art. He enjoyed music. If there is one thing Ng'eno bothered me with, is artists.
President Ruto augite guoko kwa Ng'eno ni kumwe gwa kuria kuhandite mithingi mirumu hoka ni ukinyaniria wa tafarira cia nyumba cia thogora wa thi.
Housing was one of the most difficult assignments that I have undertaken as president. It's one of the most difficult assignments. It has tested my resilience as a person. But the chair of that committee, the Honorable Ng'eno, when I was going through the people who would chair the different committees, I settled on Ng'eno because I knew if I persuaded him to do it, there would be no looking back.
Augete thirikari ni gutuma uteithio kuri family ciaria othe makwirire mutino ucio wa ndege. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Jenga Wabwe.